found the best profitable pair for the Dark Nova EA. In this video, I will explain you what pair, what settings, what time frame. So all details are in this video. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to Trading Board Lab, and I'm your host Abdul. In this video, I'm going to explain you what pair is the best profitable pair for the Dark Nova years. Let's move to my screen, and here let me open the file. Here you can see all these pairs. Dark Nova is optimized on all these 7 pairs, and in this video I will be discussing about the 6 NZDUSD. I will open this file, and here you can see all the set file, the optimization file, and the result file. I will simply open this file, and as you can see here, I am using the Do Prime Do Technologies Singapore with a USD $1,000 deposit with a leverage of 1,000. It made a total net profit of $7,619 with a drawdown of just $1,029. This means the profit is 7.4 times higher than its drawdown. It's a huge difference between the profit and the drawdown, so that's why this is the best pair for the Dark Nova year. The next important thing is the total number of trades, which is 1,470 number of trades with the win ratio of 73.6% here. Total 1,083 trades are in profit, and only the 387 trades are in loss, which are 26.3%. And all other values you can see here. The next important thing is how the graph is going upward, because if a report is stable, then it is very important the graph must go upward steadily, not like a up and downs, not like this way. It must go up like a straight line. So here, if I move down, you can see here the graph is going upward nicely. There are some points like here and here, a little dumps, and definitely these are the point where we see the drawdown, but overall it is very stable and consistent. To analyze this report in more detail, let's move to the website where I already published this report. So let's move to the Trading Board Lab in the backtest result, and here you can see the Dark Nova, and here I will select NZDUSD. It may take few seconds to few minutes to download the files into your PC for analysis. The file is loaded, and here you can see the backtest result was started in the November 2022 until October 2025. These are 3 years, and every month is closed in the profit. Also, you can see here the percentage in profit, like the maximum is like 44% in 1 month, and also there are some months where it made like small profit, like a 5%, 2% or something like that. And again, here you can see the graph is going upward nicely. Also here you can see the drawdown period, at what time we face a higher drawdown, and in the matrix again the same matrix you already see, and the trade distribution you can see how much long and how much short. So by this way you can analyze all these results here, and also you can combine this result with some other result. For example, I select NZDUSD and USD CAD and GBP USD. It will take some time to combine all these results, and here you can see how equity curves are going up for each pair. You can on and off any curve from here to see, and by this way you can analyze all these results in combined view and single view very easily. It is very important to do proper and in-depth analysis of any report, any strategy before going to live trading. By this way you can save your account by big losses. So go to the Trading Board Lab right now and analyze all these results and reports free of cost. And the best thing is that all these files are downloadable for our VIP members. How you can become our VIP member? You can simply go to the VIP membership page, and that's it. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.